Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Freedom Renovations. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of our videos. Today is an exciting day because we're hopping back into our kids' bathroom and we're going to show you how we took this boring wall and turned it into a beautiful accent piece by adding floating shelves. Best part about it is, guys, is we did it for just under $20. All right, guys, let's get after this build. Alrighty, guys, so now that we've got our ends cut to 45 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and head over to our table saw and start making our long 45s. On the top board, we're gonna cut our 45s on each side, and on our bottom board, we're only gonna cut one side. This is gonna help us out when we go to mount our shelves. The trick of the trade is when using a table saw and cutting 45-degree angles, you wanna subtract 1 inch from whatever length your board is. So since we're using 1x6 whitewood, which is actually only 5.5 inches, we want to subtract 1 inch. So we're going to set our table saw to 4.5 inches. This is going to allow us to make a perfect 45 all the way down. All right, guys, let's make it happen. Alrighty, guys, so we just finished up our 45-degree cuts on our table saw and we ended up with these scrap pieces. Now I know what you're thinking, throw it away, let's clean up the sawdust and move on. But hold on a second, guys. I want you to hold on to this piece and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video how we took this piece and turned it into a mounting bracket. Alright, guys, let's make it happen. Alrighty, guys, so this is reality. Big part of my life is my family. So this morning, my daughter Harley came to me and asked me if she can get her ears pierced today. We've been waiting for this moment, so we're gonna halt on our work. We're gonna head down to Claire's and we're gonna get her ears pierced. Let's make it happen. Hey, sis, are you nervous? Tater, you gonna be getting your ears pierced?
Let's see.
Hey, let's see your brave dance for Sissy. Yeah. You got this, girl. You did it! You did it!
It's over! It's over! You did it! Are you ready? I'm just gonna clean them once.
Good job, girl. You did it.
And then I would just clean them twice a day for the next 3 weeks.
How do you feel, Har?
It burned a little bit. Are you so proud of yourself?
Alrighty guys, we are back from Claire's, and Harley, what did we do?
Got my ears pierced.
Let's see them. Beautiful. How was it?
Good.
Alrighty guys, let's get back to work. Alrighty guys, now that we've got our shelves all mocked up, we're gonna be going and taking our Miniwax stainable wood filler, fill all our cracks and nail holes, and make it pretty. Let's make it happen. Alright guys, so here's a good example of how we're going to use this scrap piece as our mounting bracket. So we have this piece mounted on our wall. We take our shelf, it slips directly over our scrap piece, and we have ourselves a floating shelf.
One sec. Hey, you messed up. Oh. Hey, guys. What's that? Hey, guys. What's that? Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to say it. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Dad, you... No, what's that?
You have to stop jumping. You have to balance. Okay? Bring your hand into praying position. Look towards the sky.
And we are ready. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Freedom Renovation. Today is an exciting day because we're hopping back into our kids' bathroom and turned it into a beautiful accent piece by adding
Can we?
And the new stars on today's show are... You're what? Yeah, you're a terrible influence on this little monster. Hey, monster. Monster. Hello? Monster. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Alrighty, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye. 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 Bye.